So class 9, today I will start the moral science chapter 10, socialism. One of the major aims of education is train citizens for the country. Different countries have different philosophies and different form of government. China is a communist country. Most countries of the world are democratic. Only one country is China. China is the communist country, like Nepal and China. Educational policies are dependent on the philosophy of the country. India is a democratic country with a socialistic outlook as described in the constitution. The term socialist was added to the preamble to the constitution by the 42 constitution amendment in 1976. The term socialist reflects the desire of most of India modern statesmen to make India a welfare state in which the government plays a dynamic role in economic activities. Socialism is the political and economic theory of social organization advocating state ownership of natural resources and commercial activities. The typical features of a socialistic pattern of societies are: first is economic planning so as to bring means for production, distribution, etc. under the state control, and second one is a more equitable distribution of national wealth. India education is meant to train citizens for India having a socialistic identity. The country needs citizens who have the same attitude and the frame of mind consequently. Education will be directed towards achievement of this aim. So, next one is the desire to promote the welfare and the well-being of most be inculcated. It calls of a special attention to the weaker sections like the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes who had been denied all opportunities for a long time. Women deserve to given equal status with the man. They were kept subdued and denied opportunities of education and development. A socialistic pattern of society calls for their development. There are many social evils which are stumbling blocks in the path of social progress. The dowry system, and one such evil young men have to rise up strongly oppose accepting dowry, and young women should refuse all alliances where dowry is involved. So this is the thing. So our country has a socialized outlook and we are expected to develop a similar bent of mind. Now is the time to develop this attitude so that we may achieve the aim of education, which is to train citizens for India. It will eventually help our country to prosper and ensure a happier life for our fellow Indians. So this thing of socialism. So next topic I will discuss you.